Well, damaging floodwaters in East Tennessee cost counties millions of dollars. The losses will likely lead to a disaster declaration. Sevier County reports more than $7.5 million in losses. Roane County says damages in their area top $6 million. In Campbell County, estimates are $2.2 million in damages.
They're looking at as early as next week for FEMA representative to come to Knoxville and look and look at those assessments and determine if those are in fact accurate.
Damages across the state must tally up to more than $9.5 million for the state to be eligible for federal assistance. And each individual county must reach a specific threshold based on population to qualify for relief. Here in Knox County, that number must be above $1.6 million.